What's up guys, welcome to my channel. It's Physical. In this video today I'm going to show you 4 websites that will pay you to read news and comment, also create content on their platform. Okay, when you are performing all those tasks, so you'll be getting paid on this website. This website is called get paid to read news. So I'm going to show you these 4 websites that will pay you to read news on their platform. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now by hitting on the subscribe button below, and don't forget to smash on the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Because here on my channel, what I do is that I go out here, try things out. When they work for me, I come right here to show you exactly what I have done, which means that if you follow my step-by-step process, you also get the exact same results I got. So guys, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe now by hitting on the subscribe button below, and don't forget to smash on the bell icon. Alright, so guys, without wasting time now, let me go straight to the point to show you the 4 websites that will pay you to read news on their platform. Let's go. Okay guys, so number 1 of this platform is my cash out. It's called my cash out. Okay, this website pays you to read news, comment and create content, and also when you refer someone you get paid. All right, like here it says get paid to learn. My cash out income enables you to earn residual income online while reading and learning stuff online. Okay, so this is the platform here, and as you publish content and watch videos, it says here work from home. Okay, just go ahead and read all those things. Like he says, as you learn, you know that your one-time payment of 1.5. So with this platform you can register with 1,500 naira. This platform is for Nigerians. If you're Nigerian, this video is for you. Alright, so because here you're going to make cool money reading and commenting on news. Alright, so let's go down here. This is how to make money on this platform. It says buy coupon code. For you to get started on my cash out, you need to buy coupon code from our verified coupon code vendor. So if you want to register on this platform, just click on buy coupon code. Then he says register and account setup. So after completing your registration, you need to set up your bank account details so that we can start paying you. So when you register on this platform, you need to submit your account details so that these guys will start paying you when you perform those tasks. All right, now let's check how this platform works. So let's click on how it works here. It's an affiliate program platform aimed at helping people to make extra income online. Not only affiliate, it also has a learning department where all registered members are allowed to participate in getting their skills, blah blah blah. So guys, you go ahead and read this stuff, and he says the good news about this platform is that when you invite anyone and the person registers on my cash out, you get instant 1,000 naira. Alright, and these are for the affiliates. When a user registers as an affiliate, that's MCA, my cash out affiliate, he or she becomes a full member of my cash out platform, meaning that he or she is a participant on the my cash out platform, and he or she stands a chance of getting paid to his or her local bank account. So here now, this is the activities that you need to be doing on this platform for these guys to start paying you. If you share their sponsored post, you're going to earn 100 coins. All right, then when you submit a unique content, you also earn 100 coins, and when you comment on article that is news, you earn 5 coins. All right, so this is how this platform works. All right, so let me show you the second one of the 4 websites that will pay you when you read news and comment on news. The other one is Trend Flow. Okay, so this Trend Flow, when you register on this Trend Flow, you're going to be making cool money. Like here it says July's withdrawal estimate. All right, so now let's check how this website works. Let's click on how it works. Let's check for how it works. Let's check for how it works. Let's click on how to earn massively. Okay, it's loading right now. Alright, so here is how you can earn on Trend Flow if you register an account with these guys. Alright, so it says that the registration is free on Trend Flow, but let's see how you can start earning. Say with Trend Flow income strategy, you can make money online for free, cash out every 10 days and get paid before 24 hours. It's totally free of charge. All you need to do is to perform social tasks, following, liking or commenting on social media, and you can also earn for reading and commenting on news and referring friends to sign up. We also have forum you can participate into earn also. To fully understand, make sure you read to the end. So you need to read all those things to the end so that you understand how this platform, which is Trend Flow, works. Alright, they say that we pay all our members whatever we promise, and referral is optional. So that is what they say here. You can go ahead and try them for free. I'm just showing you the side you can make money while reading news and commenting on news. Alright, now Trend Flow earning strategies, ways to earn in Trend Flow. There is a promoter, registration bonus 100 tokens, refer users to sign up free account 50 tokens. With this you can earn up to 2,000 Naira daily. That's 2k unlimited. Remember, don't spam registration or open multiple accounts because your account will get terminated. So you don't need to create a multiple account in order to earn this 2k as they promised, because if you do that, these guys will ban your account and your account will be terminated. So don't try to create multiple accounts on this account in order to earn this 2k daily. So please don't do that unless you want to get your account terminated. Alright, withdrawal process with lost earnings. So if you have earnings and you do that, when they terminate your account, you lose everything. Okay, it says do not refer yourself or open multiple accounts. I've said that before. And here it says clicks on your referral link, 1 token per click. If people click on your referral link without sign up, unlimited. Perform social tasks, 15 to 35 tokens, following, liking or commenting on social media. It is unlimited according to them. Read and comment on news, 8 tokens. Note, this task is only approved after you drop comments. Limited per day up to 170. Sharing of sponsored posts, 20 to 100 tokens. You also earn 1 token if people click on the link in the sponsored post. Alright, this one is earning in forum, creating meaningful forum topics, 5 tokens. So guys, you go ahead and read all those things. Okay, if you want to start making money with these guys, so go ahead and register on this platform. Okay, this platform is not something that will make you rich quickly. Okay, it's just gradually. All right, so it's a side hustler income. All right, just to add income to the ones you have already. Okay, so it says please take note, some earning features removed due to some improvements, more amazing earning features coming soon. So guys, go ahead and read everything here. After reading them, if you feel like signing up, you go ahead and create an account. It's free. Okay, now this the third one of these 4 websites that will pay you when you read news is this one now. It is called News Naira. Let's wait for it to load a bit, guys. Alright, so like I said that the third one is News Naira. Okay, so this one will also pay you when you read news, and on this platform they will pay you. Alright, okay, here is a platform. Then let's see how this platform works, because that is the most important thing. When you go to a platform, you need to check how the platform works before you go ahead and sign up with them. So let's check how it works by clicking on how it works here. Guys, please, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel now by hitting on the subscribe button below, and don't forget to smash on the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Alright, so guys, this is how this News Naira works. Alright, it says News Naira Income Program is a system designed to enrich the members and users of News Naira websites an online program driven by a goal of solving the financial problems among the youth, students, middle class, and whoever that wish to take advantage of online earning opportunity, as it creates the channel for participants to earn residual income on weekly basis. Okay, so that is what this platform is all about. Now let's see how it works proper. Here, News Naira has two means of generating income for our members. That is what they said here. News Naira, which is News Naira ad revenue sharing. With News Naira, participant earns residual income bonus by reading news, commenting on articles, daily logging into their News Naira account. So let's see this. They have different plans here. This is bronze plan. Okay, read news 2 Naira per news, earn on daily news, comment 3 Naira per article, earn on daily news, receive a comment like 10 Naira per like, post article 10 Naira per day, daily login 15 Naira once a day, sharing sponsored post 100 Naira per share once a day, registration bonus 50 Naira once, invite a bronze member 1000 Naira. So this is the third website. Now I'm going to show you the last website, which is the fourth website that will pay you to read news. All right, now the fourth one is top news. The fourth one is the top news. Okay, so this will also pay you to read news on their platform. All right, so now we need to know how this one works. Okay, so let's check how this works right now. Okay, so I'll click on this link. You know how it works. It's loading right now. Okay, here it says through our revenue sharing model, members can now buy their weekly internet data. We reward members by sending them cash deposit. With top news, members can earn more than 1,000 every week for data spent on our platform by carrying out activities like when you refer your friend to join top news, when your friend read news that you share, when you post a nice comment on top news. Okay, here is the breakdown of the activities that reward you on top news. Okay, when you refer a member, 5 points. When users read what you shared, 4 points. When you post a comment, 3 points. Then so this is how this platform works. All right, number one, my cash out. Number two, a trend flow, and number three is News Naira, and the last one is top news. All right, so guys, this is how this platform works. So you can go ahead and try this website out to know if you can sign up. Okay, so I'm gonna leave the link of this website down below the description of this video. Okay, so guys, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel now by hitting on the subscribe button below, and don't forget to smash on the bell icon. Thank you for watching this video, guys. On my next video, I will also show you different websites that you can start making money online without any registration capital. Right, thank you for watching. If you have any question, guys, don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment section below. See you on my next video. Goodbye.